Why convert MOV to MP4?
The MOV files are common for Apple devices, but can be large and less widely supported. MP4 is a universal format compatible with most devices and platforms, offering efficient compression without significant quality loss. Converting MOV to MP4 helps ensure smoother playback, easier sharing, and better editing compatibility, all while keeping your videos looking great.
Choosing the right free tool.
For high-quality conversions, popular free tools include HandBrake, VLC Media Player, and FFmpeg. These programs preserve video quality and work on multiple operating systems. HandBrake and VLC offer easy-to-use interfaces, while FFmpeg provides advanced options for experienced users. All three support batch processing and can handle large files efficiently.
How to use HandBrake for conversion.
Open HandBrake, then click Open Source to select your MOV file. Choose the MP4 format under the output settings. Select Same as Source for both video and audio codecs to maintain quality. Click Start Encode to begin the conversion. HandBrake processes the file and saves the new MP4 to your chosen location. It's quick, free, and keeps your video sharp.
Using VLC Media Player.
Launch VLC. Go to Media and select Convert/Save. Add your MOV file, click Convert/Save, and choose MP4 as the profile. For best quality, click the settings wrench and select Keep Original Video Track. Choose a destination, then start the conversion. VLC is reliable, and with proper settings, you can retain most of your original video quality.
Tips for retaining video quality.
Always pick the highest available bitrate and resolution matching your source file. Avoid changing frame rate or codec unless necessary. Preview a short segment before converting a large video. Check the output file for clarity and sync. By sticking to these tips, you can ensure your converted videos remain crisp and true to the original.